Now we continue the last step, and we need to use the username to enter the app inside, and then go to the room to add one room first. 添加房间。Okay, add one new room. 你就写1、2、3、4嘛，不管了。Yeah, we need to add one room and then save, and then okay, and then we need to go to system, and then device settings and configuration control, and here this is Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi password, and here the room number. We can select the room number we added just now. And now we need to press this configure and press this first. 这是第一个还是第二个黑色键 ？The second black button here and till it shining, and then press the configuring button. So it must be shining very quickly. Press this black button, and then here fast shining, quick shining, and then press the configuring button. And here normally we will wait for 10 to 15 seconds. Yeah, if successfully add, and you will see. Yeah, refresh first. 刚才是成功了吧？成功。Just now succeed. So you can see we already add this device to this room, and if it is online status means it is green color, and if it is offline means gray, and you can see here have color. And you can go inside and input just now the password we add. And okay. And then you can see the lock verified successfully, and you can open the lock now. And one more thing, you can try it one more time. Okay, already open. And here we can check the record, the history of the open door records of just now what we opened. You can see close, open, close, open. And the last point, we can share the one-time password to your QQ and WeChat if you have. And sometimes if friends out of your home and need to come inside, and you can send this password to their WeChat, and then this password is only valid for one time. So okay.
这个是一直按住就是删除。
And if you press this long means you can delete, modify, and add to common use.
如果是 iPhone 的话，就直接往这边滑，往左滑。
If it is iPhone mobile, and you can put it slide to left, and that means delete.
删除以后刷新一下就够。
And after you delete, you can refresh, and then it will delete. 你删掉，现在看一下。Yes, we can delete. 删掉之后，这个东西就可以用在其他手机上面。If you delete this device on this mobile, and then you can use to other mobiles to connect to other mobiles. 可以了啊。Thank you very much. If any questions, let me know.